Hello, good afternoon viewers and welcome to SKTV News. You are watching Afternoon English News with Pavini. First, the headlines. Manipur celebrates Imoinu Iratpa Day. People throng markets to shop for fresh vegetables and fishes to mark the occasion. Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhala directs IAS professionals to explore effective and profitable methods for products made by internally displaced persons. And Notice reports first HMPV case, 10th-month all infants tests positive in Dibrugarh. And now let's take a look at the news in detail. Manipur today celebrates Imoinu Iratpa Day, a traditional festival to offer prayers to goddess Imoinu. The day is being celebrated with people making prayers and offering to the goddess of wealth and prosperity. Iramdam Inat Yokat Loop is organizing the festival in grand manner at Imoinu Iratpa Tauram at Kakwal Lairembi Iraima Imagi Lampak. Sanamahi Temple Board is also organizing similar program to mark the festival. The festival is also celebrated at Yumnam Laikai. Apart from this, most of the households in Valley District will also celebrate the festival by offering fresh fruits, vegetables and fishes, seeking a year full of abundance, wellness and prosperity. People throng the markets in Valley Districts to make last-minute shopping for the occasion. Fishery Minister Hikam Dingo declared that Manipur became the first state in the country to produce sareng catfish seedlings. The statement was made at the second Imoinu Fish Festival organized by Fisheries Department at Hapta Kangjaibung Palace Compound today. Various fishermen from the state opened 115 stalls at the fish festival. Speaking further, Minister Dingo wished for peace and prosperity of the state on the auspicious day of Imoinu Iratpa. He also expressed that producing sareng fingerlings in the state is a huge achievement as the state faced challenges in importing sareng. The minister further commended the effort of Fisheries Department in producing large quantity of fish while expressing that the department produced more quantity of fish under the current Chief Minister and Biren's government than the previous governments. He also highlighted that the state consumes 30 metric ton fish, more than the quantity produced by the state, and the government is putting all efforts to produce more fish using various technology to meet the public's demand.
Sarengi masase akoina Burma dagi lawamba adagi kano dagi Bangladesh dagi lawamba je hojiki akoi Manipur da masase puthokpa ngambase sine akoigi achowe achievement je adu first time in India kwari hana sareng masa puthokpa ngambase akoi Manipur Fisheries Department hanbani habase akoi Manipur gi achowe achievement ne thamjini Manipur se nga da depend tawba akoi chinjak si protein gi source of protein je akoi nga da ya ma depend tawwe aduna nga si am pamna chanabasina maram oikanda consumption ne henba aduga production ne wat adumakpu akoigi honorable chief minister gi local livelihood mission gaina mana puthokpa haiba scheme sigi makha da akoi achowa pen culture case culture adagi local ta akoigi fish ranching ga tawba singma mayam sina maram oikanda akoi nga gi puthokji hengalakne haidani so haidani.
Attending the fish festival, renowned singer and actor Hamom Sadananda also wished for peace in the violence-hit state, which has been mired in a conflict since May 3, 2023. He also urged relevant departments to implement schemes for the state's fishermen to produce more fish and to curb import of fish in the state.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯉꯥꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯊꯣꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯅꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯄꯥꯟ ꯂꯝꯗ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯣ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯟꯅꯅꯕ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯁꯔꯤ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯐꯥꯔꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯆꯤꯜ ꯏꯅꯥꯎꯁꯤꯡ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯊꯧꯒꯠꯄꯤꯕ ꯆꯪꯉꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯌꯣꯛꯈꯠꯄꯤꯕ ꯆꯪꯉꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯐꯨꯔꯨꯞ ꯌꯣꯛꯈꯠꯇꯅ ꯃꯤꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯒ ꯌꯣꯛꯈꯠꯄꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯅꯤ ꯊꯥꯖꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯆꯍꯤꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯟ ꯂꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯧꯗꯕ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯤ.
Meanwhile, people attending the fish festival complain about the limited stock of sareng fish. Various people from the state flocked Haptakang Jaibung since morning to buy fish from around 120 stalls opened in the festival, especially the stalls selling sareng fish. However, people were left disappointed when the stall owners notified that the stock has run out. People also expressed their disappointment while also raising doubts on whether the stall's owner have deliberately saved up the sareng fish for VIPs and other highest bidders. Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhala directs IAS professionals to explore effective and profitable methods for marketing the products made by internally displaced persons in relief camps. Governor Ajay Kumar Bhala said this during a meeting with two IAS professionals who had called on the governor at Raj Bhavan today. While conveying best wishes to young IAS professionals Arune Anand and Arvind Hanglem, Governor Ajay Kumar Bhala also encouraged them to work in the best interests of people in Manipur. On the other hand, Special DG of CRPF North-East Zone, Raja Srivastava, along with two other senior officers, also called on Governor today. The meeting reportedly discussed on the matter concerning deployment and operational activities of CRPF in the region. Later, the governor also met representatives of all in Manipur Bar Association. The representatives reportedly apprised the governor about the challenges and concerns arising from the prevailing situation in the state. Governor also reportedly assured to stand all possible help to visiting members. The first case of human metapneumovirus HMPV in North-East region for the season has been detected at Assam. The virus was detected from a 10-month-old child who is currently admitted at Assam Medical College and Hospital in Dibrugarh. The HMPV infection was confirmed after receiving a test result from VRDL laboratory ICMR RMRC. Meanwhile, Assam Health Minister Ashok has highlighted that the virus is of no concern as it is not a new virus and the state is taking precaution under the guideline of central government. It may be mentioned that VRDL laboratory ICMR RMRC has detected around 100 cases of the virus since 2014. MANIDCO Chairman Mayang Imphal MLA Kongkham Robindro has stressed on the need for following the ideals and path of Maichu Taret for the prosperous and brighter future. He was speaking in statue unveiling event of Maichu Taret come inaugural function of Imoinu deity at Ibudo Kagemba Macha Ibungo Laibung in Kiamgai today. Further maintaining that the 7 Maichus of Meitei endowed a rich cultural heritage, Robindro appealed all to strive for self-sufficiency of food and economy. On the other hand, delivering presidential speech Kairao MLA Laurembam Rameshwar asserted that there is a plan for developing a huge site of Ibudho Pakangba at Kiamgai. He also highlighted the military prowess and established socio-political system of Manipur king during ancient time, particularly during the reign of King Kagemba.
Kiamgai leiriba na hasin thonglaga sumaina sum lai tingi ama to me se ai dikal hi ai khamu da mina tara me kamai to sike na khoi na fa ken to su na hasin thonglaga te ki to ya ba ti bai ko so me to kidan na na to bi la kidan mating bang bi ro kai ro da si khoi khoi ki hor khong khang da fa na sa ko su ne tung koi na chang su anouba kano sida sakani tawdabu ai yumdagi phattaba tholaiba mayam to chatnaba lambi na semsi drenam semden hai matadabi ai gi lam sungena thang putoga ama putoga khanangame naha sim phoga kunga ine na matoriba tumba chaba khangdagi imai be sim ba puri akoi mase mana jiko na musina siko na akasuno da ko dre bol ga ndi dre ko na ba matona ba me kai phana ba samasi gi leibu nuai na to ga di khanare ba asi akoi na akoi ge ipai kunu tambiram ba tam thakpi ram mayam do akoi na mamu senga
A 40-year-old woman got bailed after she was arrested for allegedly posting a scathing video on social media targeting BJP spokesperson Suresh Kumar. Kaitilakpam Sapana from Nauremthong, Samushang Lairembi Lairak was arrested by police after Suresh Kumar filed a complaint at Imphal police station against a woman, accusing of libel on January 7th. The woman was brought before Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal West Court today, where the investigating officer appealed for custody demand in order to carry out further investigation. However, the court released the accused with PR bond of 30,000 rupees, citing that the offence is bi-label, after hearing from both Assistant Public Prosecutor and Defence Counsel. And let's take a short news. Stay tuned for more news.
Does your child show temper tantrums frequently? Imagine if she never changes. Toddlers tend to throw tantrums as they easily get overwhelmed. At EuroKids, our yoga and meditation programs help children develop coping skills at an early age to express themselves better. EuroKids, the preschool expert. Enroll now.
Please visit your nearest branch for more details. Singzamai Kongbarot, Langthabal, Tera Bazar, Kwa Kaitel, Maitay Langol, Lamphel and Kanglatombi.
Slopeland Public School, largest residential school affiliated to CBSE. Admission open for the new sessions 2025-26. For LKZ to Class 9, safe and environmental friendly e-campus, free admission fees. Join the community of lifelong learners.
Only Slopeland Public School, Hongzhou.
National People's Youth Front (NPYF) invite you to join the Voice for Change by participating in open debate and essay writing competition. Open debate competition, motion, peace and normalcy in Manipur can only be achieved through political dialogue. Manipur da santi amasung mahausa phibam hanjalakpa haibasi political dialogue khaktana purakpa ngamgani. Date 19 January 2025, time 10 a.m. sharp, venue Maharaja Chandrakirti Auditorium, Haptakang Chebung, Imphal. Form available at NPP office Nauremthong or by scanning the QR code or download from the link. Mode of submission, soft copy via email npyfmanipur2024@gmail.com, physical copy submission at the NPP State Office Nauremthong. Open essay writing competition. Essay topics, choose one. The need of the hour for the survival of Manipur and its people is a committed regional party with its roots in Manipur or a strong regional party with its roots elsewhere but having a presence presence in Manipur, or a committed national party with substantial regional aspirations rooted in Manipur, or a strong pan-India national party with substantial presence at the center. Mode of submission of AC copy: soft copy via email npyfmanipur2024@gmail.com, physical copy submission at the NPP State Office, Nauremthong, duly attested with the form. Download the form by scanning the QR code or download from the link. Last date 15 January 2025. AC gi oinadi ayiba AC copy oina, soft copy oina natraga physical copy oina thachanbirau. For details, contact 708-536-0093 or 762-90-80812. Visit us at NPP State Office, Nauremthong.
And welcome back. A team consisting of Manipur police personnel and 38 Assam rifles apprehended an active cadre of Mar People's Convention Democratic along with brown sugar and materials that are used in making explosive from Tuizolan village under Borobegra subdivision in Jiribam district. The arrested person has been identified as one Lalchoilo, age 48, from Lung Tuilian village in Perzol district. 2 explosive sticks, 11 detonators, 1 safety fuse measuring 1 meter and 457 grams of brown sugar packed in 44 soap cases were also seized from him. Major Chongthamia Memorial Trust, Tripura, has appealed all to refrain from giving financial assistance in connection with the remembrance of Major Chongthamia. In a press release, Major Chongthamia Memorial Trust stated that it received information regarding some people soliciting donation in the guise of organizing the event. While clarifying that the trust has no connection with this donation activities, it has asked people to report about any incident of donation by contacting on mobile numbers 6009125642 and 9436561100. Rajkumari Urmila Devi of Manipur was presented Honorary Doctorate Award 2025 by Global University of Boston at the 10th International Conferment and Award Ceremony and Convocation of the University organized at the Surya Auditorium in New Delhi today. The Honorary Doctorate Award was presented by the university's Vice-Chancellor, Professor Dr. Shamim Ahmed, to R.K. Urmila for her contribution in the field of library and information science in Manipur. And now let's take a look at the weather report. According to ICAR Regional Center, Lamphel State's maximum temperature was recorded at 21 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 6 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 95% in the morning and 48% in the evening. And before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Manipur celebrates Imoinu Iratpa Day. People throng markets to shop for fresh vegetables and fishes to mark the occasion. Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhala directs IAS professionals to explore effective and profitable methods for products made by internally dispersed person. And Notice reports first HMPV case, 10th month all infant tests positive in Dibrugarh. And that's all we have for now. Thank you for watching SKTV News and keep watching for more news updates.